Hey guys, it's Christina. You might know me from, real life, or I might have accepted your friend request and now you know who I am. Anywho, so I am starting a really cool project and I'm really excited to announce it. It's called OutGoToronto.com. I won't expose the whole project online. However, if you are interested in getting involved, I am looking for content writers, people who are musicians, artists, comedians, makeup artists, YouTubers, anybody based in the Six, please reach out. I am super excited to be talking about this opportunity. I have experience with blogging, sponsorships, branding, and all of these other things that can make this site really awesome. I just really want to get this going. I'm hoping to have a launch date for January 1st, 2017. So it's kind of cutting time, but I'm really working hard on getting this project going. If you are interested in writing, if you are interested in producing product that I could put on the site to get your name out there, I promise you, if you start from the bottom with me, I will bring you all the way to the top. Haha, Drake, what up? Six. Anywho, but yeah, so if you guys are interested in hearing more, I will be having a meeting soon, but please reach out to me. I'm starting to figure out who's interested and who kind of, I just want to know who's interested in contributing. So if you are interested in contributing and learning more about maybe this potential opportunity, please reach out. I'm super excited. I really want to make this a community where people can all connect. So anything is valuable in this situation. So please reach out, guys. It's a really exciting opportunity, I think. So let's get started. OutGoToronto.com. Let's do it. All right. Take care, guys.